Hey guys, so welcome to another week of weekly watches. Our setup, whatever. Alright, so you know the usual. We'll begin with Australian USD monthly time frame. Um, and forgive my noisy background. Alright, so let's go. So we can see clearly um, from last week, a couple of weeks ago, price has broken the bearish trend line. Right, so let's take a closer look on the weekly. You can see some rejection right here. Daily, you see bullish trend line, but I'm not a fan of this trend line right here. But hey, it's there. So let's see what's happening on the H4. Yeah, we are seeing somewhat of a better structure right here. You can see clearly price is actually in a channel. Alright guys, so for this week I'll be looking for maybe a break of this channel. So if I get a strong break of this low, I'll definitely sell. Not sure I'm interested in um, bullish move, but definitely if I get a strong break of here, I would sell. So on to the next CJ CAD JPY. This is a monthly. Remember the price. Remember the support. So support. Price approaching bullish trend line now. And we're waiting to see if it will actually break the trend line. So weekly, see rejection here, rejection here, then bullish move. Yearly, we could draw this trend line. Yeah, but it's far away from price, so totally not necessary. So we remove it. You can see a bullish trend right here. Let's take a closer look. Alright. So bullish move right here, and then price has broken trend line and found some form of support right here. So I'll definitely be interested in a break of this support right here. So if we get a strong break of here, I'll definitely sell. So let me put this in. Aha. And for the bullish move, I would consider, depending on how price approaches this high, I'd probably consider a buy. Yeah, I would. So also, if we get a strong break of this high, I would buy. So strong break of high. And again, guys, for those who want to know what a strong break is, you'd have to check out my ebook, and you understand it exactly what I'm talking about. And um, for those who bought the book, I'll be sending the PDF version of the watchlist shortly. So that's it for KJPY onto EJ. Let's see. Yeah, remember we have the break of bullish trend line. Let's see. Weekly we see bullish move, and I like this trend line. So now we'll wait to see if price would actually break this trend line, come down, or we get a bounce off the trend line. So not sure. I'm liking this for this week. So and yeah, we could see this. This is a nice area to make note of. So resistance, support. So um, let's see what happens for this week. So onto EU, begin on the monthly, and majority of the charts they are basically the same. They they have been in a bearish trend, and most of them approaching the bearish trend line. So some of them probably broke it, but they're basically in the same zone. So let's see what for EU support at trend line. Let's see weekly bullish run, some form of rejection right here. Daily, can remove this, not necessary. Like this, nice structure right here. So we are for this, we could see price come at this point and then go up, come down here and then go up, but or break. But let's see. This we can probably show it on the H4. So let's see H4 now. See price broke the bullish trend line, and yeah, I caught this. I had a sell stop right here with my stop loss right here. So that's this is from last week, right? So for those who caught it, yeah, good going. But can remove this one and probably add this one. So as long as price remains below this point, I'm bearish, right? So because we have resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and this could also be a resistance, but it just happened to broke through the resistance here a little. All right, so as long as price remains below this, I'm bearish. So for this week, I would actually be interested in a break of this low. So as long as price stays below this point, like it doesn't pass this high, I would definitely sell if it breaks right below this point. All right, so let me drop that on. Strong break. Yeah, so that's it. Strong break for. And let me see if I'm interested in a bullish move. Nah, not interested in the bullish move for this week. Not saying that it won't or can't happen, but for me, I'm not interested in it. So on to GJ. We begin Monday. Yeah. Looking very sexy. So we have resistance. We have support, and then bullish move right here, like this rejection right here. So definitely a sign of bullish move to come. So we had this one, and then we have this one right here. So weekly. So see bullish move, low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high. So let's see what will happen next. Daily. We can remove this one. So we can for this one we can see price is actually at resistance, right? We can see clearly. So we can either get a break of this high, or which would be the same as just a bounce off this trend line. So definitely interested in bullish move this week and also bearish move. We could also get a break of this trend line right here and see price moving down. Alright, so let's have a closer look. So for me, for GJ, I would definitely take a buy right here. Forget a break of that eye, and I'll take a sell. Forget a break of this low right here. So that's it for GJ. Onto GU. Let's begin monthly. Well, price basically converging in a triangle or wedge or whatever you guys want to call it. So for me, I'm definitely interested if we get a bullish move above this point right here. Right, so I'll definitely be looking for early bullish moves. And let's see what's happening on the weekly. Weekly, getting some rejection right here on the trend line. But definitely still, this leg is definitely bullish. daily. Seeing it clear right here. Bullish. H4. Yeah, so I would say this era is basically a nice little support. So could see bounce, some bounce out, but I will be interested in a sell below this point. So below this point, I'll definitely be interested in a sell, and I'll take a buy if you get a strong break of this eye up here. All right, so that's it for GU on to UJ. Weekly. No, well, this is the monthly. So price still in a ascending, no, descending. This is a descending channel or triangle bar wedge or whatever. It's a, well, I would call it a channel. All right, so let me show this. Yeah. So definitely, this is definitely possible because we're seeing a lot of um we're seeing this year is basically a strong support here, right? So we have 5 different rejection right here. So definitely interested in buys in this area. Um, let's see. So this is the weekly, and I would definitely take a buy if we get a break above this point right here, because coming from this rejection right here and then another rejection here and then another one, definitely up. All right, so let's see if we can find an entry on the daily. So trend line. Um, bearish move right here. Broke the bearish trend line. So definitely be interested in a buy above this point. Let's see if we can get a better entry on the H4. Yeah, I think I could go for an early entry right here. So we have a low, we have a high, we have another low. So if price breaks above this point right here, it would actually confirm that a bullish trend has started, because we would have a low, high, higher low, and then a higher high, right? So I'll definitely be interested in taking a buy above this point. Alright, guys. So and based on development in the market during the week, we'll see if we get a sell entry, but definitely a buy for now. So if I get a strong break above this point, definitely. Yeah. So moving on to US30, huge gap. So monthly, wow, storm outside. All right, so weekly, well, this is a monthly. So for some reason, US30 has bounced back. So seeing bullish move, price actually is almost at the previous high, which would be the all-time high. So let's see, weekly. Now we're looking at the bullish run, or this bullish leg right here. Yeah, it's a nice little run. All right, daily, you can see the bullish run a little bit better. Let's remove this one. So price has been respecting this bullish trend line. No. So let's go. So we got a break off. We got a break off this trend line right here, or I had it as a channel. Yeah. So we got a break right here above. I add an entry right here. So all of this, this will be actually be 13,000 points or pips or whatever. US30 is printed in. So as long as price remains above this trend line, I will remain bullish, and I remain bullish until price breaks maybe this low. Alright, so bullish, 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 bullish. But I'm not seeing any entries now. So that's it for USDT onto Bitcoin. And this is the monthly. Let me hide this trend line. So remember the guys, the all-time high is 20,000. So seeing bullish move. Alright, and we could actually have a trend line, this trend line right here. Show that bullish move, but daily. Oh, we have it on the daily. So daily we have bullish, bullish. Price has broken the bullish trend line right here. Alright, so we're seeing the break of this trend line right here, and looking on the, could actually consider this as price being in a, so I want to go and enjoy the rain. Yeah, so for Bitcoin, definitely we're seeing, um, if I get a strong break, I'm mostly bullish for now. If I get a strong break of this high, I would definitely buy. And also, if I get a break of this low, I would actually um, be thinking about a sell. But please be careful with Bitcoin because it's not an easy pair to trade. So if you have no experience in trading Bitcoin, stay away from it. Sorry guys, that's it. Remember, I'll be sending the watches to all the members who bought the ebook. So look forward to that. All right, see you in the next one. All right, with you guys.